That's what we do. Giri. Before you know, I put them for ground. As I put them for ground, I carry some put inside in mat. I can't bite in nose.
Hey. How is that a working experience?
Madam, you talk, say, make I tell you the hard work what I don't do before. Now this one be the hard work what I don't do. If you say I beat this man, he begin begging.
Oh, it's okay, please. Are you coming to this house to fight anyone?
Salima, ma, I don't know, fight feed do. You know, so all those okay. Rats.
Oh
where they inside kitchen. Then stop on where you need iron hand for them. If I catch one like this, I hold his neck like this. I press and until his eye come out.
Honey, can we do this without a maid?
No, babe, that would be very difficult. Have you forgotten we're planning for our wedding and Christmas is just in a few days?
Very Merry Christmas, ma.
Can you cook, clean, or do any other thing that doesn't involve fighting?
Madam, you not sabi me. If you enter my village, go ask them who I be. When it come to food, see my face now, na food. All these things are food. If I cook for you, then they call me mama for village. Not because I owe though, but because I sabi take care of people. If I cook food for you, if you chop am, you go leave your husband.
It's okay, it's fine.
I sabi clean. All this place dirty.
I said it's okay. It's okay.
Have you gotten what you want? I need to go and see my guys now.
Babe, are your guys more important than me now?
No. Babe, you know I give them my word. You know that's not what I meant. I give them my word. And I need to keep my promise. Because that will affect even the way you hold me by my words, you know? My beautiful wife, look at you.
Wait, are you bribing me? It's okay, you can go.
Sorry. If you sweet me as soon as I love.
Please go to the kitchen and make some coffee for me.
Okay.
Hey! Where are you going to?
I want to go kitchen, go make your coffin.
What?
Coffin.
Did you just say coffee? Did you just say coffee?
I said a cup of coffee.
Ah, okay, ma.
And that's the way to the kitchen.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Thank you, sir. Hi. Lamaka.
I hope you still be alive after drinking your coffee.
That's not funny.
Just joking.
Go away, Joe.
Let me go. See you later.
A cup of coffee with the cream, please. I hope she heard me.
Money good, though. Money good. See us everywhere fine. See us kitchen fine. Big. Second kitchen. One house, two kitchen. Hey. Money good, I must to make am. Hey, but which one be this coffin now? Wait then say make I make coffin. How them they make coffin? Hey, make I call Janet. You go tell me how to make coffin. This one know they like pick call. Hello, Janet.
Mary, listen. I've told you several times, that's not how to pronounce my name. It's Amelia.
Yeah, which one be Amala? And now your mama give you Amala. When your mama born you, he call you Amala. No be Janet, he call you. And I go they live fake life.
Whatever. I know you never learn. It's okay. So tell me, what is it?
It be like I don't get the work, oh.
Wow, really? That's nice. Okay, that's good news. Yes, because this is a good time for new people to have a taste of you.
What's in that what coming now?
So when are you starting?
I don't start already. I dey call you because my madam talk say make I make cup of coffee.
Oh, it's coffee. That's not how to pronounce it. Coffee.
Bam. Now that one she talk a cup of coffee. I can't dey reason say why you know tell me make I cook ofaku or agbono. Why na cup of coffee you want? Coffee no be that thing where they carry belly person if he die. Now him be coffee now. How I want carry him put inside cup.
Listen, just pronounce it correctly, right? Coffee, and it's very easy to make. Okay. See, did they tell you to make it with cream or without cream?
She says she won't claim.
Oh, okay. You know what to do, right?
For waiting. I dey hear you. Okay, make I check kitchen way there inside.
I know, sir. Why all of us gonna drink this correct stuff? You drink beer. Why are you drinking beer?
No, say the way this Nigeria be now, you need beer to help you to bear the situation. Eh?
I beg you, keep quiet. I'd rather say it's birds of the same feather flock together, just like you and the beer bottle.
I don't understand. What is the meaning of that, sir?
If you say you and this bottle are the same size.
Who can put your mouth for this matter?
Okay, guys. Let's stop. Before this is all everybody is laughing. Remember that when you are pointing a finger, the other four are pointing back at you, including the short one.
Oh wow!
Guy, relax. Even the short finger. Wait, this hand I want to punch her.
See the
Hand don't even cross past where the bottle is.
See the short hand. Oh my God,
Roland, you know the funny part, eh? Even the short finger you're talking about is even taller than the person pointing at you.
See, person, see. But why be say for all of us? You won't be coward now. You the first see girl, you see girl, damn, see babe. Why you won't be coward?
Waiting that one come in now. When they hear beer, you see me talk anything.
Okay, now that will make you want cry. Why you want cry?
See, I know they like that kind of thing.
But they tell you the truth now. Hey, Roland,
Oh,
what's up with the maid your woman said she was getting? I should be like.
what do you mean? How she be like? She talk past you now. That one they ask. She talk past you.
She get nyash.
How much she get to? Get please. Yeah.
It clear say you must snag this girl. The way you don't really look at nyash,
What
be
am I
nyash.
supposed to mean? I beg you.
Baba, enjoy you before marriage tie you down. Oh. Enjoy. No say I no tell you.
I beg you.
See, wait. How this Christmas go be safe?
My wife to organize. I want to organize something small. Sure, you guys can come now. No more.
Yeah, perfect now. After all, now your turn will reach now.
Guy, now when they bring that thing come my house, you know how it be now. I told you.
What's this man they talk?
But that's the fun of it now. That's the fun.
Baba, it's your turn. No excuses.
I don't trust you. No being the one way too hard, though, I beg.
You don't trust me. Now, me be the person you're supposed to trust. Worry about these criminals when they.
I don't understand.
Drink your short beer. That's it. Be.
Trust short people at your own peril.
No, when they come, they send them down, they come. When you can
See person where they talk. Yeah, go call that girl now. Go call the girl. No peace.
But you know they use I see woman. Any small thing, see woman.
I've been there your side.
I don't even trust you.
Roland, see, if eventually you get married to a woman, I think we'll need somebody like him to serve.
Why this idiot is speak English? Say they talk like a better person. Roland, eventually. You shut up. What do you know when you talk?
I beg.
I know short people are temperament, so I forgive you for that.
Oh, guys, stop to they speak English. English no
You
good
want
for your
beer?
mouth.
Now, beer now. I know just understand.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, you say one beer the situation, Abi?
Oh no.
Yeah, I play. Yeah, you should go understand.
I will care. I'm gonna do. Then I put us for love. I'm gonna do. Good morning. Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, good afternoon to you. Good afternoon. How was your night?
Hey, sir, I know remember.
Yeah, me too. Yes. Have you seen your madam?
She did for inside her room.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, you're cooking. Huh?
Ooh.
Babe.
Hi, babe.
What's up, babe? How far now?
Where were you last night?
Oh, I went to Noah's place immediately after the party.
Should have at least called.
No, I thought you knew now. I thought because we left immediately.
How?
You
So,
know?
what if you had gone somewhere else?
I didn't go anywhere now. I didn't go, but you'd have called me now.
Did you check your phone?
Of course I did.
You did?
Of course now, I checked my phone. I didn't see any. Oh. Hey, I'm sorry. There was a missed call. I didn't see your missed calls. Phone was on silent. It wasn't even on vibration. It was on silent. I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. At least I trust you.
And I love you.
I love you too.
I love you. There's something I wanted to ask you. Yeah, that's true. Or rather, tell you.
What's that?
I don't know. I don't think it's very necessary to invite my parents to our party now.
Babe, you know, it's the season of love, and when it comes to love, family first. So I just think it's okay.
But my dad won't come, you know.
Yeah, I know, and I understand why.
I know you do. How are you coping with your new housemaid?
My God, you would not believe the amount of sugar she added to my coffee. Like that girl.
What I'm surprised about is why is she still here?
Well, she's trying, and I know she'll get better. She's a hardworking lady, and I'm liking her already.
Okay. Well, who am I to object if my boss says yes?
Babe,
What?
you need to take a shower. You reek of alcohol.
No, but I drank only small.
Please,
I drank. Okay, you've caught me.
Oh
No
my
problem.
God.
Very small, so you said my breath
No,
smells
you
of alcohol.
stink. Let's go get a shower.
I take a shower. You've caught me. I didn't drink much, so it's just small. Why? So my breath is smelling of alcohol.
Please, even from that distance, you. Oh my God. Okay. Let me change this TV station.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Xmas, eh? Hi, Xmas can sweet.
Yes, sir. Can I help you?
Help me do waiting.
You look good.
You want to help me so that you can help me with my salary?
No, no, that's not what I mean. I just want to assist you.
Bros, I beg. Keep your assist for yourself, eh? Leave me, make I enjoy this sweet song.
Are you okay? Hello, are you okay?
What did they do now?
No, I've been plugged my phone.
You toast my maid on Christmas Day. I don't understand.
Nah, no.
Relax. My brother, where's Thomas?
I was about to ask you.
I don't know where he is. He said we should get over that he was coming.
Maybe he's on his way.
I think so too.
All right, let me say this right now, baby. So, okay, we're all here. I just want to appreciate everybody for coming to spend Christmas with us. We're very grateful. We thank you all. And as you know, in about 2 weeks' time, I will be getting married to my lovely wife. So you're all invited. And baby, I want to thank you for making this day special and throwing this party for us. All right?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a lot to eat and a lot to drink. Have fun for two. All
Let
right?
the single burrito.
I'm enjoying myself already.
Let the single burrito.
No. Look at this man. Where have you been now, guy? Come. Don't do that thing here now.
No excuse.
It's okay.
It was difficult to get what I was able to get.
Okay, no problem.
You need to take it easy.
No problem. Guy, why did you bring this thing now?
Bro, trust me, this is the strongest shit ever.
I know, but why did you bring it here?
We agreed no excuses. No excuses, right?
Of course, yes.
Okay, no wahala now.
See, but you have to be gentle with it. Take it slow.
I'll take now.
One at a time.
No wahala.
It's okay.
Two.
Are we good?
Yeah, we're good now. But it's not strong now. I'm not feeling anything.
Roland, are you sure you're okay?
Roland, take it slow.
I'm not feeling anything now.
This thing is hard.
Oh. Nothing now.
That's okay.
Let's go inside, I'm not feeling anything.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Roland.
Okay, I'm good. Wait.
Are you okay? Roland.
This is working like... No, I'm fine. Sorry.
Let's just go inside.
Wait. Let me compose. I don't want...
Can you just take it easy?
Okay.
Roland,
Okay.
come on. Stop it.
Alright,
Are you... Hold him.
I'll be fine now. I don't want them to know that something. This thing is working fast too. But I don't see you put inside.
When you dey swallow, you don't know.
Okay.
Open this door.
Thomas.
I'm good. No, wait.
Gently.
Okay.
Compose yourself.
I'm okay.
Shimo. Where are my slippers? Hi.
What are you doing in my room?
Now my room be this now.
How long have I been here?
Now here you sleep.
I slept here.
You with the snuff for night. can you sleep now?
Did you do anything? Don't worry.
Oga, take it easy before you faint for here.
My boxers.
Your pint.
Shh, give me.
Where you throw away your pint? You don't throw away your pint?
It's
Hey.
Hi, babe.
Hey.
What happened? You came in so early today.
From where?
You said you were hanging out with the guys.
Yeah. I just wanted to come back early and spend some time. You know, we've not been spending time together. So yeah.
So why didn't you come to the room?
I was resting. Yeah, I had a hangover. You know.
Okay. You still need a lot of rest.
Uh-huh.
I mean, look at your eyes. Babe, you had so much to drink last night.
Yeah.
You were drunk, and I've never seen you that drunk before in my life.
I know. I'm sorry, it won't happen again.
Please don't do it. I don't like it.
It won't happen again. I promise.
So let's go.
Hi, baby. I honestly don't know how I ended up in her room.
Can you try to remember or something?
I'm like, after you guys left me.
No, we didn't leave you. You said you were going in to get your phone.
And then I just found myself in her room, on her bed, half naked.
Half naked?
Yes.
Man, this is serious. Does your woman know about it?
Are you serious? Know about what? Okay, be serious with me now. Tell me, what do you think? What do you think happened?
Well, I won't lie. I think you made her with a maid.
That's what anybody would think. I don't even know whether it happened.
So tell me, what are you going to do about it?
Nothing.
Really nothing?
Yes. Oh, please, you can't tell the guys about this.
I mean, why?
You know how they are now. Before you know it now, this kind of thing will get to my wife's ear, and I don't want that to happen.
It's okay. It's
You
all
understand?
right. Yeah.
I beg.
I won't. Oh, man.
Oh my God, I'm running late.
Babe, can you do me a
baby.
favor?
Yeah.
Can you help me get some water from the kitchen?
Babe, you can see I'm running late already. Huh? Can't you get the water yourself? Or are you now scared of your own kitchen? Eh? Because for the past 6 days, I've been the one getting you water from the kitchen.
So this one, you can't do this one for me.
Babe, that's not what I mean. As you can see, I am... Oh my God. I'm running late. Okay, so I'll see you later. Bye.
Hey, please now, just let me get it now.
I can't, please.
Please.
Good afternoon, sir. Wetin dey worry this one? Ogbasaram. You know, consign me. You know, consign me.
Mary! Mary! Mary!
Good morning, ma.
Good morning to you. Is the breakfast going to make itself?
Yes, ma. Sorry, no, ma. No, ma.
And why are you still sleeping by this time?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourself. Get up and make yourself useful.
Yes,
Nonsense.
Mama no teach me to lazy like this now. What did they happen? Hi.
Yeah. I'm so hungry.
No, I'm hungry. It's not even a joke.
Can't
But
wait.
the food smells
Oh my God,
good.
Madam.
Mary.
Food done.
Thank you so much.
Food done.
Thank you so
Sit
much.
down.
Oh,
Sit down.
thank you. She's so sweet. Thank you.
Jollof rice. Key chicken. Make I put for here.
Mary, is this not raw chicken?
Key chicken. I use my hand, kill him. I kill the chicken with my hand. Key chicken.
Mary, I said you should make us jollof rice and grilled chicken. What is this?
Now we dey talk the same thing. For Christmas party, you say make I do fried rice and fried chicken. I don't fry chicken for Christmas, but this one I key chicken. I use my hand, kill him.
I said grilled chicken. Grilled! What is this? Take this thing out of my sight.
Madam, you know like...
Take it out!
Sorry, ma. Me sef been dey wonder how you want chop key chicken. Because if you fit chop this one, I mean say if you chop human
Get
being.
out!
Sorry, ma. Sorry, no verse. Oga, make I add pepper, you go chop? Sorry.
And you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? Your maid prepared us killed chicken.
That's supposed to be funny, right?
Killed chicken.
I've lost my appetite. Nonsense.
Killed chicken.
Why you come dey laugh?
What is wrong with you, Mary? How is that even possible for someone to eat raw chicken?
No be raw chicken, na kill chicken.
Oh, I get it. Listen, it's not kill whatever. It's grilled chicken. Do you hear that? Grilled chicken. And why didn't you even call me like other days?
I call your number now. I call am plenty times, but you no pick. Me sef, I dey get small headache.
It's so impossible. Whatever, please. Mary.
I could call you back. Madam! I dey come. Hi. Why this woman dey call me now?
Are you okay?
Yes, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Okay. Mary, are you sure you're okay?
Yes, ma. Are they okay?
Okay. Yep. Mary. Mary. Mary! Reverend, stand up! Why are you still sleeping by this time? Eh? Are you done with the laundry? Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Come to my room and get the remaining clothes.
Hi. I just tired.
Man,
Yeah.
I wanted to ask you, why don't we give the maid some time off? Let her take a break. Let her go home.
Thank God you brought it up because I was also thinking about the same thing. I mean, she's been acting so weird these days.
Yeah?
She sleeps around the house and she vomits almost everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, really. And those are just signs of someone who is pregnant, and I don't want to believe she is.
That's crazy.
It's really crazy. I just wonder what useless man could have done that to her. I mean, you see a struggling woman and the best thing you could think of is to impregnate her. It's really crazy.
It's crazy, yeah.
Oh.
Crazy.
Babe, I know you wouldn't do that if I were not in your life, right?
No.
Don't mind me. I trust you anyway. So tomorrow I'll tell her to just go take care of herself. Is that okay? Right.
What did you do?
What thing you want make I tell you now? Eh? Me, I don't know. The only thing why I sabi be say I can't dey tired. I can't dey tired well. I can't begin sleep. Every time I go dey sleep.
Wait, oh. Every time you go, they sleep.
Eh.
Are you vomiting?
Awful. I vomit once.
Once.
Just one. One time.
You sure say you're not pregnant? You don't carry belly?
Yeah. How?
Okay. Did they do 100 times?
Nobody touch me. Oh. That's Christmas party where I tell you. As I go my room, go sleep. Nine, my oga come enter my room.
Okay.
My oga sleep for my room. He can't begin touch me. He touch my hand. He touched my leg. He touched my belly. He touched me. I can't think say na for inside dream. He dey touch me. I can't dey play for inside my mind. As I wake up, open my eye like this, bam, I see my oga face. They can't dey call me Linda.
What did you talk
Come and say, Oga, I no be Linda oh. I no be Linda oh. Na Melly be this. I no be Linda.
What is wrong with you?
It come me and
He come what now? He come what? You allowed him. He had sex with you, as in his sleep. He enter.
We no have no sex. We make grandma.
What's the difference? He just do lap or what? He had sex with you, simple now.
But na small.
Why you always acting dumb?
Na small enter. I know say I link.
You
Oga's link.
Wait. Is it not the same boss you said is engaged?
They plan marriage.
So you are planning to destroy his marriage? You want to stop him from getting married to his, beloved wife, Abi? No be so.
How na?
Yes, that's what you're trying to do because you slept with him, Abi. You dey hear wetin you dey talk? Wait, oh. Is it this thing you carry so? My sister, you're pregnant already, and you would remove it.
Chineke equally hojo.
Equally ojo, whatever equally ojo, you go remove am. Come on,
Me, I no go fit oh. I no go fit kill my pikin.
who say me you kill am?
No be so my mama teach me.
Okay, so your mother did not teach you how to live right, Abi? She didn't teach you how to stay away from men.
No be another woman marry my papa. Another woman marry my mama husband.
Okay, they marry you and you're trying to do what? Revenge. Is it not?
Which time I talk that one?
I don't understand. Is it payback time? No, tell me now. This is somebody's marriage you're already trying to destroy. And you say you no go comot am. Wait, oh. Your mama no teach you how to stay away. She didn't tell you. You're just relaxed. The man was busy touching your body like keypad.
I drink.
You drink, but you remember everything now. You remember everything. I tell they call your name, Linda. Be waiting you they talk for mouth. How does it sound to you?
You self, now. Say now human being I be, body they sweet me. Now
Close your leg. Close them. I drink. See, at this point, you have to tell him.
You see, Guinea?
I say you will tell him.
Me, I no go fit oh. And wife no go happy.
His wife no go happy. You didn't think about it, Abi? That one no enter your head. You no reason the wife at all, those wife.
What thing we go do?
We.
What is it, Mary? You said you want to tell us something.
Yes, madam. Ma, first of all, I won't beg you. Na devil cause am. No be my fault. Na devil cause am. And I.
Why are you begging? What happened?
Madam, is that night? Is that night you are having party in this house?
Can you please speak pidgin?
Okay, ma. Madam, I like you. I like you well. You na a better person. Now I make this thing way happen. They pain me. They pain me. My mind, they scratch me.
Babe.
I know if it hold on inside again.
I don't think this girl has anything meaningful to say.
Babe, don't say that now. Let's listen to her. Okay? Go on.
Thank you, madam. Madam, I beg no vessel. I know if it hold on inside my mind again.
Babe, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Now make I tell you. That night where you're having party, where you have party for this house, everybody they happy, they jolly. Me, I follow happy, jolly. I can't drink. Small drink where I drink. No be saying I plenty, but because my head not too correct like that. As I drink this drink, my head begin turn me. They turn me, my eye they turn me. I begin see double. Now I can't remember. I can't meet you. Tell you say I want to go my room, go sleep. You can't tell me say make I go. You remember?
Baby. At this point, I don't know where she's going, but I don't think it's important.
Roland, what is wrong with you? Can't you just relax and let's hear what she has to say? Is it because she's local and you think she's no longer human?
I didn't say that.
So what are you saying?
All I'm saying is that I don't know what this girl... Why are we even listening to what she has to say? Isn't she supposed to be on a break? I'm leaving this place.
Roland,
Yeah?
if you leave, I will not be happy with you. Just relax and let's hear her out. Mary, go on.
Madam, as I come enter my room, make I sleep.
Yeah.
As I close my eye, they sleep. Now I come, she say, "Ham, touch me." For inside dream why day, I come the worried. Say, who get this hand though? Hand they touch me? Why hand they touch me? I come, but because I drink, I no get power again. I don't weak. I no fit fight the person. But as I can't open my eye like this, bam, I see Oga face.
Jesus! No, that's a lie.
Oga face, I see.
You are a liar. Get out of my house now.
Lola, she's not leaving this house until she finishes what she has to say.
No, this is my house and I have a right to say those things. Yes.
Madam, I don't carry belay for Oga. God, I don't carry belay for Oga. You can't enter inside me.
Don't listen to this thing.
Why you dey lie, Oga? Why you dey lie? You dey lie. That night, not be you wake up the next morning, you come dey find your pint. Shut up! You dey find your pint. You carry your cola, they find your pint up and down. You don't see your pint. Oh God, I can't stand here. I can't listen to her.
Linda, wait. Linda, if I are here, I will kill you. If you are here, I will kill. Are you mad? Are you okay? Linda! Good day, Mom. Good day, Daddy.
Why did you do this to her, Abdul? Am I not talking to you?
I'm sorry I was drugged.
Kai, I have warned you to stay away from drugs.
It's my friends.
The useless friends you keep, you mean? At this age, you are only supposed to keep friends that can bring good names to you. Now see what you have done.
See, he can perform the right of both of them. At least our religion accepts that. Let him just tell us who he wants among both of them.
Is that what you have to say?
What do you want me to say?
That I don't want to take a second wife. It's Linda here that I love and she's the one I'll get married to.
Mom, I'm very grateful for the love this family has shown me. Even though Dad here hates me because he blames me for converting his son. But I don't regret it. But I think I'm done with Roland.
I did not give him that name. Okay? He's not accepted in my house.
Goodbye, Mommy.
Linda, wait. You can reconsider, please. My daughter, what about the wedding plans? What about all the people that we have invited? Please.
Mommy, everyone will be fine. I'm sorry.
Linda, wait, please.
Let go of me!
I don't know what came over me, please.
I think you do.
Linda.
Sit down. You are begging a woman. My dear, I think what you should do is to find time to go and see the other lady.
Mommy doesn't have to go and see her, please.
Why?
We need to see her. You need to invite her over.
The wedding must go on. Oh. Do you want your mom to lose? Your mom had bought a lot of her shebi in respect of this wedding. Not for me, but for her.
I don't want to invite a girl. I'm not inviting anybody.
Oh, Abdul, you will. That is our only option right now. You have to invite her over. Abdul, I was at your place to see Mary. Since you refused to invite her over, I had to come myself.
I don't know why you went. What do you want to see her for?
Your wedding is in a week's time. Someone needs to step in. Since she is already carrying your child, it is only right for her to take the place.
Yes.
Linda has refused to come back.
That's it.
All the money we spent for the wedding preparation, it cannot be in vain.
No, Daddy, I don't like this thing that she's saying, please. Because what is all this now?
Abdul,
I said I don't want to get married to this girl. Is it by force?
allow her to finish.
She has finished. I don't like this
I'm
idea.
not done, no. Mary said she is not ready to be your first wife. That she's okay with being a second wife, third wife, or no matter the number, but anything except first wife.
Can you hear?
Yeah.
What is this?
She had a story of an ugly experience her mother had with the father. A second wife came in, was enjoying, the mother was suffering. So because of that, she decided she will never be anybody's first wife.
I don't want. Is it by force? Yes, I'm responsible for the pregnancy. I said I'll take care of it. Must I marry somebody I don't love?
Abdul, you see what will happen here? I will invite her over myself. But I will let me hear her own part of the story.
Why are you inviting her? There's no need to invite this lady. I'm not interested. I'll take responsibility for this, but I don't want. If the wedding is going to be called off, then let it be called off. What is it?
After all the money has been spent.
If that's all that matters to you, money,
Of course, it's not about money.
I'm not even interested.
A lot has been spent for this wedding. She needs to step in.
It's okay. It's okay.
That wedding must hold in a week's time.
It's okay.
Don't tell me it's okay. What is the meaning of all this?
Allow him. When his brain is calm, we'll definitely invite him over again. Okay?
Okay. A week's time, oh.
Are you... Wait, Mary. Are you out of your mind? What do you mean how? What did they do you? Who in our right senses will keep such a vow? What will make you they get the mindset of say you must be second wife? See, I go need to buy you a razor to clean that kind of mentality come up for your head. Because if you be the first, this world no go end now. I mean, what did they do you? But please don't amala me. I don't need to understand. Guess what? You cannot bring that pregnancy into my house. I beg, no amala me. What I'm saying is you can come to my house, visit whenever you want, but you cannot stay permanently now. Lean on me, not me say you go press me die. I beg. Amala. What do you mean amala?
Robot, is this really true? Like, what is this I'm hearing? It's nothing.
Wait. Maybe that Maid was say I like one knock.
How is that the problem? No, now the babe they talk about now. They talk like say they leave you and the babe for you if you do anything.
You don't start again.
See,
I'm not calling your name for this matter.
Guys, I beg, can we just shut up? We have nothing meaningful to say every time we hang out. All we talk about is how to get high and women. I'm tired of this nonsense friendship.
Roland, it hasn't gotten to this.
No, it has. Tell me one meaningful thing we've achieved as friends. Tell me. Nothing. And I'm in this mess because of your stupidity. Yeah. How is it my fault? Are you now blaming me for your callousness and stupidity? Don't call me stupid, you stupid dwarf. It's your father that is a dwarf.
Raymond.
Thomas, you know that was uncalled for, right?
Are you deaf? You know you're already calling me dwarf.
I beg you.
My friend, get the fuck. Go if you want to go. Barman, give me one beer.
Respect yourself.
Baba, get out if you want to go.
Come down. Order your leg.
Bros, move now. You say you dey go. Barman! Yes, this guy now. Barman!
Bro, it's with the shot now. Only there.
Okay, I beg. Just face your mouth. Just face your mouth, I beg. Where's this guy now? Barman!
Bro, what happen now? You dey shout once more. Short man.
Your dada like mopping stick. Your leg no dey even touch ground. You dey talk of shots.
I talk pass you.
Yeah, come stand more measure now.
Come down.
Mugu. Yes. Let me see idiot go now. Barman!
Bro, come.
Oga, pay for your mouth. Pay for your mouth. Pay for your mouth.
See, come pay.
Weary. What are you doing?
Welcome, sir.
No. What do you think you're doing?
Don't come back. I depend.
I can see that you're dumb. You're very dumb. What are you doing in my house?
Sir, I no get anywhere to go. And my friend talk say I fit visit am, but I no go fit to.
I don't give a hoot what your friend said. Get yourself out of my house.
But sir, I no
get out of my house!
Sorry, sir.
Come back here. Get rid of this rubbish. And also get rid of that nonsense in your womb.
Yeah, me, I no go fit kill my pikin, no. I no go fit kill my pikin. I no go kill my pikin for anybody. I no go kill my pikin.
Hi, how are you? Is Roland in? Okay.
There you go, bro.
I'm good. Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, how are you coping now?
I'm alright, man. I'm fine. I'm good.
Man, I'm sorry about what Thomas did at the bar.
Why are you sorry? It's not your fault.
Yeah, I know. Well, I hope you're not serious about us being useless friends, right?
Not you, but maybe them, yeah.
Well, they are not all bad still. You know, we've actually been through a lot together.
Oh.
Well, I saw a lady outside. Who's she?
Don't worry about her. Forget her, Blake.
Is she the maid girl?
Yes, just don't worry about her. I asked her to leave.
She doesn't have anywhere to go to?
Well, she said her friend asked her to leave, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Okay, let's talk about something else. Don't worry about her.
She's not considering abortion?
Said she can't do it. Can you imagine?
Well, you realize she's carrying your first child, right?
This guy, I don't care, really. I don't care.
Roland, you don't want your child to grow up and know that he or she has an unconcerned father.
Honestly, I don't care.
We both know you do, Roland. I mean, if not for the mother, then the child. You know, it's not the child's fault that all this thing happened. So why would you then, let the sin of the mother, why would you take it upon the child? Anyways, have you spoken to Linda?
Oh, she blocked me.
Oh, that bad. And nothing more to say. So, Roland, I think I should
You're
be on my
leaving?
way. Yeah.
Okay, let me see you. Hold on.
All right.
See you.
Okay. No, it doesn't.
Hold on, let me take this thing.
Oh. Sorry.
Yeah.
No.
Sir, I be want follow you talk something.
What?
Now about madam.
What about her?
I be want tell you say if you sabi where she dey stay, me and you if he gotta go, maybe go beg am.
Forget it, it's not happening.
Sir, I know say you like madam well. Maybe go beg am. I go tell am say no be your fault. She fit hear also. May we just lie.
Yes, who is that? Yes. Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Linda, I just want to say that I'm sorry. I cheated on you. I was foolish. I just want to be a better person for you and I want you back in my life. Please.
Madam, I beg, because no vex. No be Oga fault, na devil handwork. Oga love you well. Wetin happened that night na mistake.
Roland, how is all this going to erase that thing in her tummy?
It's not going to erase it. All I want is for you.
You don't have anything to say.
Madam,
Linda, wait.
Like we knock just like that. Oga. negi nani gibria. Nenu wachaya ye. Oh ye bulaye. Oh ye bulaye. Oh ye bulaye. Ole bulaye mwani yao. Hey. Oh ye bulaye. Oh ye bulaye. Oh ye bulaye. Oh ye bulaye mwani yao. Dun 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 dun.
Mary, what's this now?
Sir,
Huh?
the wash.
Why are you washing with your hand? What happened to the washing machine?
I don't know what thing happened to the washing machine. I no grey work.
Next time something like this happens, you tell me.
No
Instead of
verse.
washing with your hand.
No verse, I could tell you.
I'll call my dry cleaner to come and carry the clothes.
Sir, the clothes never spoil. Why you won't carry them?
Just coming to wash it.
Oh, okay, okay. No problem.
And somebody will come and fix the washing machine as well.
No problem.
Stop washing now. I told you stop washing with the hand.
I just want to wash my pants, come out. You know, say, you know, good make person they wash another person pants. All those white things where they come out.
It's okay.
Oh, yo. I don't go tired. I don't tired, though. Hi. All the dirty go come out.
No, Mary, wait. What are you doing? What are you doing now?
I see stain for your car. I think I help you wash them.
No, leave it. When I want to wash this car, I take it to the car wash.
Now be say those people don't sabi do anything because see stain everywhere for your car.
It's fine. And aren't you supposed to be resting in this state?
Listen, no, I don't be lazy person. My mama no teach me to be lazy, no matter what. She tell me say even that time where she get my belly, say she dey go farm. She go farm, carry firewood for head, go house, and my house far from farm. Yeah. Must long well. All of us our house is long well.
Yeah. All right.
Look, I just wash her, man.
Stop. Before you go, and don't wash anything in the house. Because the way I'm looking at you go and wash the walls.
I've been there thinking because stain there for the wall.
Don't try it.
You cannot wash them.
Don't touch anything.
Out of toilet. Sorry, sir.
Don't wash anything. Leave it.
I don't wash. I clean.
No, leave it. Leave it. Go and rest.
Bye.
Sir,
life small. Small. Come back. Put your yash for here. Your yash, come here. Don't do. Cut them. Bye. Sir, I been done cook banga and stash for you. I keep them.
No, don't worry. I'll eat it tomorrow on something light.
Okay, sir.
Mary, come. Come and join me.
Sir?
I said come and join me.
Okay, sir.
What are you doing?
I want to go wash my hand.
My friend, sit down and dig in. I go and wash your hand. You're a local girl. What are you waiting for now?
Mba.
Why?
Sir, my mama teach me say if you dey follow person way senior you, they chop. Say you go wait, make it give you for hand before you chop. I don't go if you put my hand inside.
Look, please eat. Eat.
Thank you, sir. You're sweet.
So I want to ask you a question. Do you really think being a first wife is a curse?
Nah, bad thing for my family. Nah, bad thing. Because my mama na first wife. And she too suffer. She suffer well. After my papa marry second wife, now he no care for my mama again. He no care for me. He treats am anyhow because of second wife. Now why I tell my mama say nothing go make me be first wife for this life.
Wow. But you know it's not a widespread thing. The fact that your mom didn't have a good experience doesn't mean you'll have a bad experience. So what if you see a man who's willing to make you his first wife?
I no go marry. I no marry. Because tomorrow now if he change his mind, can't go marry second wife after he don't marry me. For my village, people they marry 2 wife, 3 wife, 5 wife. I no go do. I don't want to marry. Okay, you want to marry me as first wife? Huh? Sorry, son. I play. I play. Since your face just changed, I dey play. No verse. I go feed drink juice.
Come on.
I drink juice.
Mary! Sir! Bring drink and come and clear this thing. I told you that this guy is a bad
That
guy.
guy is weak.
No, it's bad. It's bad. He has a powerful left foot.
Leave that guy.
He has a powerful left foot.
That guy don't know how to play any ball.
No, he has a powerful left foot. Trust me, man. Let me tell you.
Watch. I beg, come on this snatch for road now.
Hey, don't you dare. Don't you ever. You understand what I'm saying?
I don't understand, but I'm maid now.
Who told you she's a maid? I didn't want to hire her. No, it's my joke. Stop her, move.
Roland, please calm down. Please calm down. Hey, you shouldn't have said that. You shouldn't have.
See, I know they like this kind of thing. No? We they discussed this kind of thing before now. Why you call the verse now?
You know what? Baba, they go. I go watch my match by myself. Leave my house.
Roland.
Leave my house.
Roland.
Be going. Henry, go, I beg.
No problem. This is the second time you're doing this. No one. We will see. I don't they go.
Don't be saying they talk to a person like that. Do you know her before? What kind of harassment is that?
Roland.
No, what kind of harassment is that now? What are you talking about?
Got into that, Roland.
No, it has gotten to that. Don't tell me that. I beg. Don't. You go watch ball.
Why are you angry?
Baba, if you go watch ball.
It's okay.
Janet, what thing happened?
Mary, be calming down now. No be so they do something, no. What's the problem? I go call, you no go pick call. You no go call back. Now what for you? This thing where you do so, don't forget, say, now me be the reason why you come Lagos. So now me you follow come Lagos.
Why I go pick your call? After all the insult, all the cost where you don't cost me. Shey you talk say, make I come up for your house. You pursue me come up for your house. Why they call me now?
Calm down now. I just did that to push you to your man's house.
I don't tell you, say no be my man. Na my oga.
Yeah, sorry, no verse. Now why you no want to come visit me again?
So that you go cost me again, Abi? So that you go start from where you stop. They insult me.
No change that for me, yeah, no vex. What are friends for? Okay, if your friend no offend you, who won't offend you? My friend. Okay, how are you and the baby?
They fine. My belly don dey shoot out small, and it can't be like say my face don dey wow. My nose don big, my mouth don big, everything don dey big.
Which one be don dey ugly? Why they talk like say you fine before?
You see you don't begin curse me again.
No vex. Okay, so how is your man treat? Oh, sorry. How is your boss, your oga, treating you?
You no go believe wetin happen. He pursue your friend come up for his house because of me.
You mean hey, love one titi.
Which one be love for here?
Before uncle, you don't know that men's bond are really, really strong?
Bond kwa?
As in the relationship where men then get. Especially when they have strong feelings for family, friends, and people with they around them. They really they fight for who they love or maybe their crush.
I don't understand which kind big grammar they speak like this. What you chop? Which one come be crush again?
I very go. You know, crush now all those people will be say, for instance, you love somebody and they don't love you back. Now only you they love, you know, for the relationship. The love now one-sided. So that person will be say they do the loving, now they crush on the other person. You understand?
Yeah. I better go. Come off my phone if you don't get something better to talk.
See, listen, as this matter they go now, and if you say you suppose they love up on the man.
I don't know what you talk about. Just come off my phone.
I better go. You don't they fall in love. Mary is in love.
Come off my phone now, this girl. No, they disturb me.
Okay now, no Wala. You know what to do now. Anytime we just see chance, may you come see me. Yeah?
I go sly. Yeah. I no promise you. I said sly. I go sly. No be promise so. I'm gonna bye. Bye.
Ah, you're so impossible. Very predictable.
Linda.
Nikaki. Hi.
Hey, hi. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's okay.
You came to shop?
Yes, and you came to shop too?
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
I did actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how have you been?
Well, I've been good. Yeah, that's true. Have you been?
Good.
Yeah, you look good.
Thank you. So I have to get going.
Yeah, but it seemed like you changed your number.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay.
You know, I was actually going through a lot, so
Yeah.
I had to just clear my mind off.
Okay.
Yep.
Maybe I can call you, check up on you sometime.
Okay. Can I have your phone?
Alright. Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
All right. So you look different though. You better actually. you look better actually.
But I didn't look bad when I was with you.
No, I didn't say that. I actually didn't say that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You don't look bad at all too.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll call you.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
Take care.
Yeah.
Back. Today na today. Dagari kwa papa. Hey.
Mary! Mary! Come. Oh my God, you won't believe what happened today. Huh? Why do you have makeup on? Are you going somewhere?
I know they go anywhere. Hey! My leg just scratched me. Hey.
Food, are you celebrating something?
Oga, talk your own first. What happened?
Okay, anyway, so I met up with Linda today and we were cool. The thing is, when we met, she even gave me her number. I was shocked because I couldn't believe my eyes. The last time we met, remember she slammed the door in my face. I mean, for her to give me her number now, I thought it was like a miracle. I was really shocked, and I'm excited about it though. Really excited.
That one good.
No, what do you mean that one is good? This is more than good, you know? So, what do you say you're celebrating?
Nothing. I just say make I wear makeup and cook better food for you.
Girl, I'm sure you're not expecting any man. You have forgotten you're pregnant.
I never forget. Oga, when you ready to chop, make you chop because the food no go sweet if you cold again.
Okay. Thank you. Well, that's some really good news, you know? Linda. Wow. Oh, sure. Hello, Linda. It's me, Roland. Yeah, it's been a while and I've missed you. And I was thinking we could probably do dinner or something. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 2 plates, right?
Sir, who get the second plate?
Oh, Linda's coming. She should be here any moment from... sir, hold on.
Hi.
Hey.
Hi, babe.
Oh, how are you?
I'm good.
Welcome. Please come.
Yeah.
Table is set.
Oh, I can say
Right here.
Hi, Mary.
Mary.
Hi, good evening. Is she okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So have you been?
Yeah, good.
How is mommy?
Oh, she's fine. She asks of you every day.
Okay, and your dad?
It's okay. So what happened? Why this sudden change?
My friend introduced me to a therapy session, and that is what has really helped me. I've been attending it for close to 2 months now.
The effects are glaring though.
Good or bad?
Good, of course.
Thank you.
Then I'm sorry, okay, for everything that I did. There's no day that goes by that I don't regret what happened. I should never have been intoxicated. And I've missed you terribly, you won't believe it. My life has turned upside down without you.
Yeah, but you're not looking bad.
Oh, you know me now. It's very, very easy for me to mask how I really feel. But I couldn't hold it in again the other day that I saw you. I miss you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
I just want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank your friend. Thank your therapist.
And thanks to the money I spent too.
No, don't worry. I'll refund you every
Shey,
penny.
I trust you.
I love you, baby.
I love it too. Let's eat.
Yes. Thank you. I don't know why this girl is. She's supposed to serve these dishes. But
It's fine. I will
you
just...
do it
Yeah,
All right.
serve my
It's your house.
Of course it is.
Oh.
Okay. So you first.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Guess this is okay,
Yes,
right?
that's fine. Thank you. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. That's okay
That's
for
okay.
now.
Yeah, for now.
Oh.
Yes.
I think I'll just use this.
That's okay.
It's fine.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Aren't you gonna eat? Okay.
Of course. I'm starving. This is fine.
That's fine. Yeah. Still watching your weight.
Yeah, of course. I don't want to add any inch at all.
God, you're so beautiful. Look at your eyes.
Now I'm shy. You want me to feed you?
I mean, I don't mind. That's not a bad idea.
Okay. So here you go. I've missed you.
I love you.
I love you too.
Mary, come. Where are you going with that bag?
I dey go my friend house.
Why? I thought you said she didn't want you at her house. Besides, I didn't ask you to leave.
Me and Janet, we don't be friends since small. Even though I go her house, she no go fit pursue me.
So who's gonna do the house chores and everything around here?
Me, I don't tired. You go find another person who go come dey do the work.
Mary, did I do anything?
Nothing. Don't they go. Bye-bye.
I'm really happy for you, honestly. I'm happy you've got her back. That's awesome.
Thank you.
You look bothered.
Yeah, it's just about Mary, the way she left, you know.
She saw you go back with Linda?
Yep, she did.
No wonder.
No wonder what.
Come on, she's in love.
I don't think so.
It's obvious. Linda comes back and she left. That's a sign of jealousy. Well, I see you've got a lot on your plate here, and it's for you to decide on which pill to swallow and the one to leave out. Thomas left town earlier today.
Good for him.
Good for him. I think you should still talk to him.
Nah, I don't think so. I just want to stay on my lane.
Ah, what? Okay. So it's just gonna be like this?
Hello, Mary. Oh, yeah. How's my baby? Okay, I just, I was wondering. I'm sorry if I disturbed you. I just wanted to say if you need anything, just let me know. If you need my help.
Take your call now.
I don't want to come.
At least if you don't want to come, cut the call. Cut them because we they watch something, they distract us. Cut them. Now fight. See the way you take cut them.
Oh, please, I will come.
Stress us. Hello? Yeah, this is her friend. No, she's not here. Oh, okay. I'll send it right away. Yes, immediately I'll send it.
What did they do with my phone?
You know, say that this phone, they show better time.
Your own phone no get time. Your phone way big past my phone. You no supposed get better time.
No, after you go just let me just stammer like say I want like. The thing be say after I don't check time, I can't begin the play that snaky game.
No, they touch my phone. No, they touch my phone.
What are friends for?
I feel rewind them.
What is they rewind? Tell me, explain to you now.
I don't want to make you explain them.
Keep remote, I beg, no change. So. You don't start. Oh, yeah, watch now, no problem. Because if we start now, you go tired.
Yeah, you never answer my question. How you take find this place?
Your friend gave me this address.
Hi. That girl with her big head. Anyways, now her house with this, so sit down.
Thank you. So, how have you been?
What did they find for here? Yeah, Linda no say he come here. What's funny? Why they smile like Christmas goat?
No, it's not funny. I'm just... Why are you asking about Linda? I'll tell you why I'm smiling, but why are you asking about Linda? Why are you asking about Linda?
Maybe for my maths, go here say pastor shit for church.
Okay, good. I just came to ask a question. First of all, why did you leave my house and why have you not been taking my calls?
My phone no day with me.
Is this about Linda?
before you answer, I need you to understand that I'm responsible for this. You're carrying my child, so I'm responsible for this pregnancy.
You come here, come shout for me.
I'm not.
The shout where you shout for me for your house,
No,
never do.
I'm not shouting. You can see my voice is low. I'm sorry if it seems like I'm not. But I just need you to talk to me.
I'll respect myself now.
Yeah.
I'll respect myself. After you don't make me like you finish, you can't they talk say na Linda you love. I don't want slobble.
No problem.
I don't want slobble.
I want you to know that I'm sorry about everything. I'm not denying the pregnancy. I'll take full control and responsibility of but you know, the problem is that many things had happened. Linda, the pregnancy, my parents, it was all too much.
That one concern you.
Okay. So why I'm here is I want you to know that I will take responsibility for the pregnancy. But at the same time, I don't love you. I love Linda. Okay? And that is not going to change. And I'm not going to take you for a second wife.
Myself, I don't want to be a second wife. Okay. I know be Mumu. I see I know say you love Linda.
Okay.
I know.
So
you say go they sing. I love Linda. I know.
We're on the same page, and that's good. I just wanted to clear that up.
No problem. Just they send money. They send plenty money for your picking.
I will.
Send plenty money for your picking.
No problem.
Finish. I don't want to marry you. Go meet your Linda. Carry that your hand. Go give Linda. Make you hold am. No hold your. I know they hold am.
Hold it.
No. I don't forgive you, but I know hold your hand.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. Amala. You talk say you know like the name where your mama give you Janet. Say na Amala. You want me?
Amala. I say we go see. I beg. Now your matter carry me come.
What happened?
Nothing happened. I just want to ask you. This is your belly where you say you carry. How long now?
I don't forget. Oh, I don't remember.
Why you know they do like woman? You don't remember?
I don't remember now.
Anyway, see, just go inside bathroom, eh? You see that plastic wire I keep for there just behind the door? Piece inside. Once you piece, call me.
It's again. Make I piece inside lover.
I say piece. I won't use and take check something.
You want drink my piece?
How you see me?
What do you want carry my piece do?
What do you want carry your own piece they do? You dey sell them?
Come, this guy. I hope say you no want carry my piece do or go. You no go walk, oh. You no go walk. I know the piece.
Okay, I beg. You get wetin I want check. So that make we get this, you know, updates about all this stress, all the stress since. Now your matter now they run for. What's wrong with you now?
Make I go piece. No carry my piece do or go. You no go walk. My head slung.
It's long.
My head slung well. Oh.
I agree.
No carry my piece do or go. Ishim, you no go walk. My head no they walk for that kind thing. One use and do money. You no go walk. No, you no go walk. No worry.
Just imagine if one wind carry you now. Now you're scared. It's like parachute. Something is wrong with this girl. It's my friend, eh?
I don't piss. Make I bring and come.
Oh God. No, don't. Just leave it there.
I don't piss.
Can you take it easy? What is wrong with you?
No carry my piece do or go. I don't want you.
Even without your warning, I don't need to do anything.
I just sabi. I think this guy won't do with my piece. Maybe she don't dey link piece. If he be say she don't dey link piece, so because now so my madam talk say she want kill chicken. I kill chicken for them. They chop kill chicken now. This one they link piece. Why her face be like this? What thing happen? What thing do my piece?
Only your peace dey important right now.
What thing happen now? Your face no dey okay.
My mind just calm down right now. Baby girl.
Wetin be that?
You no get belle. Ah. God, thank you.
So, what about your friends? I haven't seen them in a while.
Well, they're good. Thomas is out of town. Noah still comes around, and I just put some distance between myself and Henry.
What happened? Is anything serious?
Not really. Just cutting down on my friends, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fine. So where's Mary? I haven't seen her since I came here.
She went to her friend's place.
Oh, okay. So when is she coming back?
She's not. I offered to take care of her and the child.
Oh. Okay.
Can I ask you something, Linda?
Go on.
I want to know what we're doing now. I mean, I know we just got back together, don't get me wrong. I don't want to be forward, but I don't want to lose you. And I just want to be clear on what the situation is.
Okay. Are we clear now?
Very clear.
I've missed you.